Okay, on this video we're going to look at the Composer software, which is free for you to use if you haven't got Microsoft Front Page. Now you just download it on this down low link, okay, and it's totally free. It'll take you to another website to download, to SourceForge website, and you just simply download it. It's in a WinRAR format, so it's not a WinZip. You need to if you haven't got WinRAR, you need to download it here. Let me just paste this and take you to that page. Okay, this is the address. Okay, winrar.com, download HTML, and you just simply download it. Okay, now once you've downloaded it, you need to extract the file on your C drive. I don't think it works if you extract it anywhere else actually, but if you extract it in your C drive, you don't actually install it as such. Okay, you don't actually, it doesn't have a run executable file. You simply extract it, and once you've extracted it, you'll see this actually. Once you've extracted it, you'll see this here. Okay, I've downloaded the Composer onto my C drive, as you can see, the local C drive, and I've extracted it, and it's now in this folder. I'm going to open that folder, and I'm going to look for the Composer application, which is here, right, this one here. This I have created it myself earlier. You need to just create a shortcut. You simply right click that, okay, right click, and you'll have this box here, and you can see it says create shortcut, and you'll create this shortcut here, this one here. Let me just close that there. You'll create this shortcut. Simply copy this, right click and copy, right, and copy, and then paste it to onto your desktop. Let me just close that down. Onto your desktop here, which I've done earlier, and simply just double click that, and it should load the software for you. Okay, and obviously it's got a little a box for hints and just to tell you what to do, I think. Yeah, we'll close that down. Now we were using a Microsoft Front Page, if you remember, in the previous video, and I made, for some reason, some slight errors, and this software corrected it for me, which is very useful. But having said that, now I've looked at it, at the way the line has been constructed, and it seems like there's a double entry here. Okay, I don't need this. It's just a waste of space, and it don't look very good either, does it? So I'm going to delete this line here. Well, not the total line, but this wording here, the center. But I'm going to keep the P paragraph instructions here. So I just delete that. You'll find that oh, excuse me. You'll find that there is you know, in your construction of the website, you'll find that there will be errors that you'll make, and you only can learn, you know, through your own mistakes. And obviously it's handy if you know a little bit about HTML coding. You don't have to know it, you know, the coding at all, if you like, because the software does it all for you, basically. Like here, you know, I mean, this is a web page on its own. It's a justifiable web page. I mean, it's got no content, obviously, but you can fill the content in and so on and so forth, and add various images, which I will take you on to at a future video. But let's look at Composer. Hang on. And here we are. We're on the Composer interface. You can see that on here it's got various tags that you can use, which I was using manually, if you like, on the other one. I had to type it in. Now with this one you don't have to do it. I mean, if you want to create a header tag, you just do that, and then I don't know, shall we keep to self assess, oops, I hope you're right, your typing is better than mine. Okay, self-assessment website. Okay, I've created now the header tag, which is H1. There is various tags here, and you mustn't put too many tags actually on your web page, especially the H1 tags. Okay, because search engine don't like it. They'll think you're spamming them, because search engine love header tags, and obviously bold text as well. Now let's look at the source of this and see whether it's done it correctly. Well, there you go. You see, it's done the H1 tag for you, and obviously that's what I've typed in, the self-assessment. Self-assessment website H2. So each time you got the header tag, don't forget to always put this here. The software will do that automatically for you. More importantly, I think this software is very good in the sense it tells you, or rather tells the search engines what this document type is. Okay, I really like that. Okay, so let's go back to the normal view, and obviously if you want that in the center, just highlight it and then click this here, and it will obviously centralize it for you like that. Okay, I'm not going to go on too deeply onto this software. I'm just trying to introduce you to it because it's free and it's very, very easy to use, very similar, if not comparable to Microsoft front page. Okay, so go to Composer and download this software for you to use. You need to obviously experiment if you're new to HTML coding or web designing. You just simply got to experiment with it, or you can actually, at a later stage, I'll show you how to install scripts that's already written for you, and you can just install that on your web server. Let me just take you to a few websites that I have actually created. You've already seen my seminars for you website. Okay, I'll just go back there because I'll be showing you how to create some very important aspects of this page, so that you can learn the techniques, if you like. Just give it a few minutes to load. Obviously this here is telling the surfer that the page is loading. I don't want to lose that. And obviously this is quite a very important advertising. It's gone now. It only stays in for a few seconds. Now this here is obviously data capture, if you like. It's like a squeeze page, but it's an opt-in page, if you like. And you simply ask them for the email address and name. I mean, you should actually ask for their postal address, telephone number, and so on and so forth, as much as information as you like, as possible, if you like. But many surfers will not give you all that because they don't know you enough, to give you that information. So asking them for an email address and a name, I think is adequate. Okay, and obviously if they give you this particular information, they can download, some free bonuses or free gifts that sort of to entice them. Okay, we'll just shut that down, and you'll be learning how to do all of this. Okay, and the copywriting. I mean, I'm not an expert at copywriting, and that is a practice that you need to do yourself. There's software to help you to do that as well. Okay. So you scroll that down, and also the important thing as well, that you need to get these text, if you like, within about 700 pixels, if you like, wide. Okay, you don't want it to be too far across the screen, you know, all along here. You don't want that. Alright, you need it somewhere around about 700 pixels, 650s to 700, so that the eye is not strained, if you like, in reading this. And this is also important in emails as well. Okay, you need to keep the text short, you know, probably about that much, if you like, on your email, so that the you know, the reader is not actually put off by it. And you need to write short paragraphs. Okay, you don't have to write in a sense that you know, strictly grammatically correct. So you don't have to do that. You can start with a simple sentence with a because or an and. It's really immaterial. Okay, you don't have to be writing like you know, for your school examination. Okay, so you can write very simple texts in you know, in a very simple, I mean, one that's even a one line, if you like, one line sentence. Okay. If you've got testimonials, obviously put testimonials on your pages, and I'll be showing you how to do a video as well, like this one here. Let me just show you.
Hi, I'm Nick Lowe. I'm in my home office, and today I thought I will do a short video to summarize my forthcoming seminar. Well, what is it all about, basically? Well, the seminar will teach you how to create...
Okay, I'm just going to pause it there, and you get the drift anyway. Okay, you can do this at home. You don't have to have a professional lab where you could you know, film yourself, and so that was done on a webcam. And I mean, or you might say, you know, you don't know what to say. Just think what you've got to say as you go along. You know, you don't have to be an expert. I think the more mistakes that you make, it shows that you're human, you know. So that is my opinion, and I think it's the opinion, not just think. Actually, there are some experts in the top world marketing gurus do recommend that you actually stutter and keep everything you know, normal as possible, and don't edit it out. And I tend to not to do that either. You know, I don't do it. And I will be showing you how to create these banners as well. Okay, these important banners for your advertising campaign. Let me just scroll down here, and there's more stuff here. Like, okay, more text to you know, to entice people to read, and what we're selling, and so on and so forth. Yeah, and then this is a summary. And I'll be showing you how to do the audio as well. I mean, the audio it's just a button. You can actually have your picture here as well, over here, and below it your audio. Let me just play that for you.
Hi, Nick here again. I thought I'll just say a few words of thank you for taking action today.
Okay, I'll stop that. For some reason that audio is a bit louder than normal, and you don't want that blaring away. And obviously it's a call to action, if you like, you know, important for call to action. And this is the pay button, if you like, to get people to pay. And if you are PayPal verified, important that you put that on, because people don't know you and they want a bit of trust, if you like. Okay. And remembering, you need to put your PSs. These PSs are very, very important in convincing your potential surfer to you know, to purchase your product. And after you've done all this, it would be a good idea to actually have it verified, but with this W3C HTML software. Let me just go there for you. And as you can see,